Pitter patter, drip drop, raindrops falling, plip plop plop. Grab your boots, come out and play. It's a splishy, splashy, rainy day. 5 little ducklings by the pond so wide, waddling together side by side. Quack, 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 they laugh with cheer. Rainy days are the best time of year. Clouds above and puddles below, where the muddy, giggly waters flow. Jump in a puddle, splash, splash, splash. Wiggle your feet, dash, dash, dash. Flap your wings and spin around. Make the biggest splash in town. Quack, quack, shout hooray. We love rainy, splashy play. One little duckling, shy and small, watch the others having a ball. I might slip, I might fall, but Mama Duck said try it all. Stomp, stomp in your boots, jump, jump in the puddles. Flap, flap your wings, spin with giggles and cuddles. Jump in a puddle, splash, splash, splash. Wiggle your feet, dash, dash, dash. Flap your wings and spin around. Make the biggest splash in town. The little duck took one small leap into a puddle wide and deep. Splash went the water all around, and laughter was the only sound. Sometimes new things feel scary inside, but courage helps you jump with pride. One small step, then 2, then 3. Soon you're splashing happily. Jump in a puddle, splash, splash, splash. Run through the rain, dash, dash, dash. Flap your wings and quack out loud. Dance like a happy, splashy crowd. Quack, quack, shout hooray. We love rainy, splashy play. Pitter patter, soft and slow, home the sleepy ducklings go, dreaming of puddles, fun and play, until another